Our second butterfly drill, the dolphin butterfly, adds the recovery and links it to our body rhythms. It builds on the skills you developed in stone skipper. Keep driving your fingertips forward for 2 pulses before each stroke. Make sure it's a body dolphin, not a kick. Think pulse, pulse, slide to the corners, and breathe. Pulse, pulse, slide to the corners, stroke, and breathe. When this drill begins to feel natural and rhythmic, simply take out one of the pulses. Stroke and breathe just as you did in stone skipper. Recover and fall forward to pulsing again. This drill is the ideal way to practice the recovery skills that make butterfly much easier. Stay low on your recovery. Land forward, not down. Let's examine all parts of the stroke. Outsweep to your corners as you pulse. Insweep under your chin, moving forward, not immediately flare out. Don't push back to a karate chop release. Stay low on recovery and land forward. Practice until all of this becomes habit. As you practice, stay long with a low, flat, sweeping recovery. Try to keep your stroke as relaxed, quiet, and splash-free as you can. Fit the breath and the arm stroke into the rhythmic undulation of your core body.